Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn some shortcut keys which are very vital and essential for the MS Word beginners, or you can say the learners. Okay, so in front of us you can see that we have some shortcuts that are listed below. So the first one is, if you want to make the whole text which is written down single underline, then you will just press Ctrl plus U. So what we need to do is we have to scroll down and then select all the text, and then we will press Control. Okay, so it makes single underline. Then we will choose Control Shift and D. This will make double underline. And then if you just want to make word to word, in that case you will just choose Control Shift and W. So this will make only the word highlighted. Okay, so these were the three shortcuts. Okay, now if you want to make a voice typing, so what you have to do is just choose void window. So we will select window and hatch simultaneously. So now you can see, again we will choose window and hatch. Hello friend, how are you? Can I talk to you? My name is Muhammad. So this was all about the shortcut keys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.